Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Deepa's Lockdown Diaries. I hope everyone is safe, staying at home. So, అందరికీ నమస్తే. ఇవాళ మనం Warli Art Part 2 tutorial చూద్దాం. So, yesterday you have seen in my video a Warli Art Part 1 tutorial which is drawing men, women and the human being pictures. Okay. Today we are going to learn birds and animals, how to draw in Warli Art. So let's start.
So now let's start by drawing a beautiful bird which is peacock. In the 1970s, this ritual art took a radical turn when Jivya Soma Mashe and his son Balu Mashe started to paint. They painted not for the ritual purposes, but because of their artistic pursuits. Jivya is known as the modern father of Warli painting. Since the 1970s, Warli painting has moved on to paper and canvas. Coca-Cola India launched a campaign featuring Warli painting in order to highlight the ancient culture and represent a sense of togetherness. The campaign was called Come Home on Deepavali and specifically targeted the modern youth. The campaign included advertising on traditional mass media combined with radio, the internet and out-of-home media. These rudimentary wall paintings use a set of basic geometric shapes, a circle, a triangle and a square. These shapes are symbolic of different elements of nature. The circle and the triangle come from their observation of nature. The circle represents the sun and the moon, while the triangle is derived from mountains and pointed trees. In contrast, the square appears to be a human invention, indicating a sacred enclosure or a piece of land. One of the central aspects depicted in many Warli paintings is so beautiful. The simple pictorial language of Warli painting is matched by a rudimentary technique. The ritual paintings are usually created on the inside walls of village huts. The walls are made of mixture of branches, earth and red brick that make a red ochre background for the paintings. The Warli paint with a white pigment made from a mixture of clay paste and water with gum as a binder. A bamboo stick is chewed at the end to give it the texture of a paintbrush. Walls are painted only to mark special occasions such as weddings, festivals or harvests. Warlis lived in mud huts. The walls of these huts are embellished with the Warli art. These paintings depict the scenes from rural India, where women at their daily household chores, men at respective vacations, babies in their cradles, animals and birds like peacocks, hens and cows, birds all form an integral life, all created in a loose rhythmic pattern. They see themselves as joyous dancers in this time frame. The cyclic nature of time is played out in all spheres of their life and can be best seen in their annual cycle of work, Thanksgiving, enjoyment and work again. Their art also expresses an interesting aspect of their inherent philosophy than of prosperity. All their stories with its various moods and views are expressed with just two basic colors, the brown of the earth and the white of the rice paste. Warli paintings have various subjects or themes. which presents a picture of the daily life. This old tribal art is two-dimensional with no perspective or proportion. Each painting has various elements giving a huge outlook. Symbols used in the paintings represent the whole world of Wallis. Most of them emphasize fertility, productivity in nature. They prominently depict peacocks, cockroaches, horses, snakes, birds, squirrels, and other manifestations of nature. So now here you have seen two animal pictures how to draw. Now we are going to draw a beautiful elephant, so small and cute. Now the trunk, eyes, then the body part. You can see very simple it is. Now giving one more line, then giving a zigzag design, then giving a small carpet design on the elephant hump. Very simple and easy to draw. So this way you can learn from this video and draw different animals and birds on your paintings. By using this Warli art, you can beautify the space on the wall or canvas anywhere you like to draw. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and as well as you have learned how to draw these pictures, and I hope you all will try this. I hope you all like this video and you can try it. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe and